What's up folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show how you can refresh and hard refresh when using the Chrome browser. So without wasting any time, let's go over how they're done. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer and go to any websites. After the website load, if you want to refresh it, hit that F5 button on your keyboard and the website will refresh or reload. You can also hit that reload button to refresh the page. But if you want to hard refresh it, you have to hold down the Control or Ctrl button on your keyboard. And at the same time, press F5 or the reload button, and the page will hard refresh. Do this for 2 to 3 times if you're facing any website loading issue. So that's it guys, that's how you refresh and hard refresh websites in Chrome browser on your computer. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Want more Chrome browser related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!